Welcome to a new unboxing video. Today we have 5,000 euros and 10,000 euros money packs. Let's unbox them and see what we have inside. So let's start with the 5,000 euro money pack. It comes in this plastic wrap. Seems to be very thick. Yep, it's hard to open, but it's good. It means that the money will stay safe inside. Yeah, I like the simple design like this, just clear wrap. No need to be anything fancy. It's nice, it's good. Okay, so here we have it. Nice sound, the sound of money. It comes from Suomen Pankki, Finland's bank. And it's in Vantaa. Machine number 576, so yeah. Let's take one out and see. So it comes with 10 individual money booster packs. Here we have one. Oof. Oof, what is this? Oof. They have like some mess here already, like. Is this resealed pack? I was expecting to get fresh batch, but this seems to be like resealed. Doesn't look so good, man. Oh my god, everything is in upside down and different order. Like, what is this? What is this? I expect everything to be like same way, like the order. This will be order, but there's no order here. Like, I don't know what this is. The quality of money is actually good here, but some of them are worn out already, like this one. Look at this one. It has crumbles. It's like used money. This is already used money, like, oh my god, what is this? Look, the edges are all worn out, like, I cannot get mint 10 grading on this bill over here. This sucks, like, oh, look at this. There's some dirt over there, like, this is not good. Maybe it's just this one pack. Maybe there's like, maybe these other packs are better. Let's see. Let's take like this one over here. Yeah, it doesn't seem so good, like, look. Already the edge is worn out, so this 5,000 euro pack, not great in my opinion. Let's hope this 10,000 euro pack is better. This one, it doesn't say where it comes from. It just has some barcode here, so the shops can scan it or something, but this one opens easier. That's weird. So this one again, 10 individual booster packs of 1,000 euros. So let's take it out. This one, by the way, it feels already better. Like, look at this. What does it say here? 10-year quality fit. What? 1st of October 2021? That's so old. Like, this money, it's almost expired. They should send me fresh batch of 2023, but hey, look at the good sign. Everything seems to be in order. Everything is the same way like it should be. And the money, it actually feels better. Can you feel this money? Nice, this is good. This is really good. Like, look, this is almost perfect mint 10 grading on this. Like, I can send this to be graded, and I think I will get easily 10. So yeah, this is good. Like, listen to this money. So nice. This is now money ASMR video. Welcome. You have to feel the edges of the money to know it's real. Can you hear them? Can you feel them? It's good. So yeah, this 10,000 euro pack. First batch was really nice. Look at this. Everything is in order. Let's see if the orders are the same. So 2021 again. It's kind of old batch, but at least everything is in order. Look at this. It's good. Everything is in order. And yeah, again, mint 10 quality money. This is not pre-used money, so that's good. So yeah, very good. Compared to this 5,000 crap, it's much better. Like, this money, it doesn't feel good at all. Like, can you feel this money? It doesn't even make nice noise anymore. It's not ASMR quality money. Yeah, that has been the unboxing of 5,000 euros and 10,000 euros. I think for 5,000 I will give this 6 out of 10. I mean, money is not in order, it's old money. I mean, I don't know what the Bank of Finland is doing, like they should really improve their quality control and stuff like that, but yeah. The nominal value 5,000 euros, still good, you can buy many things with this. But this 10,000 euros, the only problem I have with this is that it's 2021 batch. I expect to get 2023, but they sent me 2021, so that's not good. This one maybe, the good thing is that it's mint money and everything's in order, so I will give this 9 out of 10. So yeah, thanks for watching this review, and I will see you guys in the next episode of my unboxing. Thanks for watching.